Jesse.
Yeah?
Can you get me a tampon?
Come on. Take, slow down a little bit.
And you always go like at least 10 over.
That is my privilege as father.
I wish we were 4, but 3 will do. And we gotta do this more often.
Yeah, you should.
Dad.
大人は私が思うより大人じゃない。
Stop.
What's her name?
Angela.
Angela. She was like something wrong with her, like she was schizophrenic or...
You two are fools.
Well, I didn't want to get divorced.
Divorce just doesn't happen to you. You're involved in the process.
Too young to be so wise.
Dad, we're staying.
Can we just have a nice day?
17歳の夏、大人も不完全だと知った生涯忘れられない瞬間。